Meet the Philips Hue GU10, a smart LED spotlight that brings vibrant colors, adjustable brightness, and effortless smart control to your home lighting. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Philips Hue GU10 white and color Ambiance smart LED bulb, along with the user manual and installation instructions to help you set up your smart lighting easily. Installation. To install the Philips Hue GU10 smart bulb, switch off the power supply before replacing the existing bulb. Remove the old bulb, insert the GU10 bulb into the compatible fixture, and twist it securely into place. Turn the power back on, then connect the bulb through the Philips Hue app by following the setup instructions to pair and configure your smart lighting settings. How to pair. To pair the Philips Hue GU10 bulb, open the Philips Hue app and select the option to add a new light. Make sure the bulb is switched on, then allow the app to search for nearby lights. Once detected, select the bulb and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. After pairing, you can customize brightness, colors, and lighting settings through the app or compatible smart home devices. Smart features? Philips Hue GU10 provides millions of colors and adjustable white shades to create the perfect lighting mood. It allows users to customize scenes for relaxation, focus, entertainment, and daily activities. Allows users to set schedules, create lighting routines, and control lights automatically. It provides convenient smart control based on daily habits and preferences. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Philips Hue GU10. See you at the next one.